Hello, everybody. Everybody from social media, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. My YouTube channel is just my name, Orlando Illustrissimo Jr. I am a certified Rock City boxing coach. It's a very special program for people with Parkinson. I also specialize with dementia, Alzheimer's, Lewy body, any neurological disorder. People with neurological disorder need to exercise to slow down their symptom. That's why I specialize. I'm also a certified personal trainer to NSIM, a gift fellow from Gray Institute, and also applied functional scientist. That just means I'm a movement and functional specialist. Okay? What we're gonna go through there, if you notice I have a chair, I'm seated. I have a few clients that has scoliosis, right? I want to provide this video to give you some information on some movement you can do to improve your mobility due to scoliosis might cause you a lot of reduce on flexibility or having hard time of movement. Okay, so let's just say, let's keep it simple. You have a C curve, all right? When you have a C curve, you're going here. That means, let's go over first the rotation. That means you're turning that way. So you're pretty much just gonna turn this way, okay? So if you have a C curve, you're working on turning to the opposite. If you have a C curve here, you're turning the opposite, okay? All right, so let's just say you have a C curve this way, okay? So that means my body is naturally turned that way. I want to start getting this body to turn this way, so I'm going to work on turning the opposite way, right? So this is me right here. I have a scoliosis here, so I'm going to work on turning that way, okay? So I'm going to turn in, open, okay? Turn and open. Let's get 10 of those, okay? So we're going to reach 1, reach 2, okay, reach 3, reach 4, okay, reach 5, reach 6, reach 7, reach 8, reach 9, reach 10. All right, now I'm gonna go on the opposite side, but I'm still gonna turn the same direction. Again, if your scoliosis is this way, you're turning the opposite way. I'm just going one way right now, okay? So I have scoliosis and I tend to bend that way, a regular C, okay? So now I still want to turn that way with the opposite hand, which is the right hand now, okay? So now my right hand's gonna go that way. Back here, I don't want to turn that way because my body's already stuck that way. I'm just gonna load here, explode here. Let's get 10, all right? So we go 1 and 2, good, 3, and 4, keep it going, and 5, good, 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, all right? Because what happened, when I have a C here, I'm stuck here, so I don't have the ability to turn here anymore. So I'm gonna start working on my rotation on the opposite so I can move better, okay? Now, we have a letter C. If you notice, I'm bent this way. Common sense, I need to go the other way to counter this letter C. All right, so let's go left hand first. Since I'm stuck here, I'm gonna swing this up. And the reason for that is me stuck being here, and hopefully for me repeating this every other day or every day, I'm gonna start be able to go to bend the opposite way because I'm stuck here. So let's get 10, okay? So I have a letter C here. I'm gonna start swinging this up. Now do your best to get the whole body to move side to side instead of just the arm. That's the objective here. To start to loosen up that thoracis, that stop, okay? Let's get 10. 1, 2, good, 3, 4, keep it going, 5, good, 6, good, 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. So I'm trying to reverse this bend on this side, okay? Now, remember, if you have this side, you're gonna go the other way, okay? Just opposite from me, okay? All right, I have a C, I have a normal C. Now I'm gonna go right hand. I need to bend the same direction, all right? Because I wanna counter this bend to go to the other side, okay? So let's go. Right hand now, we're just gonna swing that side to side, and I'm gonna go try to get my whole body to go to the right side. Okay, let's go 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, good. 5, 6, 7, keep going. 8, good. 9, and 10. All right, and if when you have scoliosis, you usually are here, and you usually turn there. I'm bent here. Usually there's a stoop posture. You're kind of like that way. So what's the opposite? Go up in here. All right, so we'll say I have a C here. So now I want my body. I'm gonna go left hand first. I'm gonna bring this down and then bring this up. Now to even make it better, instead of just going straight up and down, since I'm bent here, all right, I'm gonna bring this up there a little bit. So I'm gonna go down and then up that way. All right, down, up to the opposite. Down and 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5, good. Down 6, down 7, down 8, down 9, down 10. If you notice, I'm combining the up and down a little bit and my side to side a little bit. It's just a combination, okay? So I'm going down. As I go up, I slightly go to the opposite where my body's bent that way, okay? So that's down and then up a little bit to counter that side. Now the opposite, I'm bent here. I know I need to turn here, so I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna turn up that way. Down. So instead of going straight down and up, I'm gonna tweak it a little bit, turning a little bit. Down, turn left. Down and 1, down and 2, down and 3. We go down 4, down 5, down 6, down 7, down 8, down 9, and 10. So there I just combining the extension with a little rotation. All right, over here I combine the extension with a little bit of side bend. Okay, feel free to just go straight up and down if that's easy. Feel free to just go straight up and down and that's easy. All right, so that's just phase 1. All we're doing here is just starting to create some mobility of the thoracic that's kind of stuck in that position. So we're trying to counter the position. That way we can have a little bit of movement. There's a lot of pace or things we can do with scoliosis, but that's just the first phase to just start getting the thoracic to move a little bit so it's not stuck, okay? Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, Orlando Elustrasimo Jr. I'm going to be providing a lot of videos, not just for people with Parkinson, but general people that might benefit from all my exercise, right? So stay tuned to the next exercise video. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.